Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and I have a short flip through video for you today. I have those two books to flip through, and one of them is a journal, one of them is an ephemera holder. They were both a part of a custom order, the same custom order. So yeah, I think I will show you the ephemera holder first, but you will find a timestamp in the description box for the flip through of the journal if this is what you are interested in. So both of these books are A5 size, and this is my regular journal size, and this ephemera holder is fabric covered. It has 4 signatures, and it has a book plate on the front, and my customer requested silver book corners, so this is what it is. And I will be putting some of this ephemera holder in my shop soon, so yeah, keep an eye on that if you're interested. I just have to kind of get settled in my new apartment. Some of you may know I will be moving very shortly, and I will probably have a sort of an adaptation phase, so yeah, but basically this is what it looks like. So it starts like this. It has a big vellum pocket here, this flips out, another big vellum pocket here, and a paper pocket right here. And then we have pages, and all of the pages have 2 or 3 vellum pockets, and they have tabs. They are all sewn around. The pockets are sewn. So there are some patent papers, some book pages. And I really try to stay with this very soft color scheme. Is it focused? Okay, very soft color scheme, as this is and a lot of like teal, because this is what my lovely customer wanted. That they are 2 big pockets here, and then 2 on each page here. The tabs make it easy to kind of flick between sections. Okay, then 2 pockets on the back here, and I have a big envelope which is open on the back, so you can slip something in the back, and it also has this like a die cut closure, and you can slip something inside. There's quite a lot of space in this one. Okay, so this was the ephemera holder. Like I said, I will be making more of these, and I hope to have them soon. So now is for the journal. The journal is as well fabric covered, and my customer requested this particular fabric, and I love it so much, and I think I've used the last bit of it on this journal, so yeah, but I'm happy it will go to someone who will like it. So it has this collaged image on the front. This is of course hardcover, 3 signatures. You can see here I have beautiful charms and beads, and there's a lot of blue because she likes blue just like I, so I had fun creating this. Okay, and the closure is organza ribbons in this color, like pretty blue, and then this is very like pale blue. I think they look gorgeous together. I've been really adding a lot of organza ribbons to my journals lately. So let's open her up. Okay, so we have a pocket here on the front cover, and this is one of the pockets that we made together with vellum, and you can slip something from the side. Then this is something that I really like making in my journals, which is an altered window envelope, and it flips out like this. So there's a window pocket here. I've left I think all of the pockets for her to fill. I will be attaching a pack of goodies, but I know that she likes to kind of work in her journals herself and decorate them herself, so that's what I did. So yes, so this flips out. There is journaling space, some ledger printable, and beautiful Artimaze collage papers. Okay, and there is a lot of fabrics. This is just just what I love. Laces and fabrics and ruffles. So beautiful book page. And this leaf trim, which I adore. Gorgeous, gorgeous page from Artie Mays, and one of my scrappy clusters. This one we made together as well, and I left it open so it can be a tuck spot. Book pages, more of Artie Mays beautiful papers. This is a vintage address book, fun for journaling. Then this page was printed on vellum, and this is from Nick the Booksmith. This is a fabric dyed page. I really like it. Really like how irregular the color is. Adds so much interest. More from Artie Mays and some fabric ruffles. Vintage ledger paper. Then the middle here is from Artie Mays, and I did some torn edges the way I really like it, and I inked them up so they kind of look a little bit, I don't know, burnt or just, you know, old. So some more vintage ledger paper. These are lace printables from Lorna, tailor-made journals. More beautiful pages from Artie Mays. Then I added one of the envelopes that we again made together in a recent video. All of the videos will be linked for you below, all of those that I mentioned. I have some fabric clusters made into tabs. More from this address book. Then this is a pocket that we made in the first episode of my Scrap Ephemera series, where we use scraps and project life cards to make this kind of meadow behind the vellum pocket. So this is a pocket here, and there is a journaling space on the back. So it's just clipped here. More torn edges, all inked up, beautiful book pages. More fabrics, and yeah, I love this book page so much, so gorgeous. More from Artie Mays. This is just so pretty. So more pretty book pages. This is coffee stained paper with some lace imprints. And this is a sheet of vellum that I inked with beautiful teal and a little bit of gold as well. Book pages. This is another sheet of fabric dyed paper with another cluster that we made together. Then there is Artie Mays. Oops, sorry. Another one of the pockets. So this is vellum here, so you can kind of see through a little bit of what you put inside it. Then this is brown recycled paper, and this is just from Nick the Booksmith. Some Edith Holden, of course. More torn edges on Artie Mays's collage paper. And then this is a very, very old sheet music that I just made into two pockets here. Beautiful fabrics. Fabric dyed paper. I will try to make a tutorial soon on fabric dyeing my papers when I'm, you know, settled in my new apartment, because I need some space, but I know some of you guys have been requesting it and you would like to know. It's nothing complicated, but I can absolutely do. How gorgeous this is. I can absolutely do a video, and I just need some space and some time. So I clipped here another envelope, book page envelope that we made together. Then there is more from Artie Mays. I used 2 or 3, I think I used 3 of her collage packs. This is tea stained ledger paper, more Artie Mays. And more Artie Mays. Beautiful book pages. Botanical book pages. And this coloring here, not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's all natural and it's stunning. So here was just a text page, so I glued this like a doily print on the back, so there's space for journaling. More from Artie Mays's glorious collage papers. Another doily here, some writing space. More, there's a lot of vintage laces in those clusters as well. More torn edges. Okay, and this is the end. I love this paper. This is like a mint green, but I don't know, it just has a tint of teal, I think, in it. So yes, so that's my journal. I really hope my customer likes it. I really had so much fun making this, and especially that it was, you know, teal, and that's just something I love. So teal and flowers and the colors, yeah, definitely my jam. So I put a lot of heart into this journal, and I really hope she likes it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a rather quick video, but I hope you got some inspiration. I know I love watching people's journal flip throughs, and I'm always so inspired. So thank you so much for your time, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!